Hello everybody, welcome back. We are in a campground, a regular full hookup campground. That's rare. We're just east of Ely, Nevada. Came down here to hook up for a couple of days. I got a fair amount of work in that I need to concentrate on, and a little bit of exploring I want to get to, but I got to get work done. So the easiest thing to do really was to come down and hook up. I don't have to worry about the heat if I'm out and about. You know, I can just turn the air conditioner on, lock the RV up, and go out and do things. And it's funny with my work. Somebody asked what I do. I do some mechanical design for a manufacturing company. They have a weld shop and a machine shop. So I design some simple, well, sometimes not so simple, some tooling and fixturing and stuff. So that's what I do, and it's never steady, consistent work. It's sometimes I get caught up and I have none, and other times I get swamped a little bit. So right now I got to concentrate on that. So I want to get just a check. Hang on. Bella. Good morning, girl. So yeah, so we're at this full hookup campground, and it's it's reasonable, I suppose. It's not KOA prices. You know, I look at those just for a laugh once in a while. This isn't too bad. I do want to take a break. There's the Northern Nevada Railroad Museum. I might go take a look at that for a little bit, but then, you know, I need to get back here and you know, stay with my work till I get it caught up. Bella, come here. Let's say hi everybody. So that's it. That's what we're up to. We're gonna take a little ride on the motorcycle today. I got the motorcycle off the bounder, and we're gonna take it out for a little bit today. That'd be nice. Yeah, and a quick look around here. I guess it's nothing real fancy, but it's pretty dang nice. There's a nice kind of a central yard down there that you know, they irrigate and keep it nice, some nice green grass. So Bella likes that. It's kind of like a little field home, having some nice green grass to run around in a little bit. So those of you that like the train stuff, welcome to come along. If you don't care for the train stuff, I'll see you next time, where we're gonna go. I think the train had to back out of the yard, back to a switch, and get on another track that goes up through the canyon. Engine number 40. You might ask why I'm not on that train. I don't have a good answer. You're going to use this Y to turn the train around. You might recognize this place. This is the copper mines that we were, that plan B where we was going to camp at. There's supposed to be a campground here. That'd be nice to have a train come past the campsite. Well, I think they make a stop up there. I think they've created a little rustic western town sort of thing. Place to stop up here for a few minutes, get a drink, whatever. And then they'll return down. There's another track. They backed up that one, but then there's another track that goes back down and they'll get back on. Heading back down to Ely, Nevada. Back down to the Northern Nevada Railroad Museum. You think I'd be in my glory because I love steam trains and that sort of thing. I don't know what's gotten into me. Been in kind of a little bit of a funk the last couple of days. I don't know, it's cool and everything, but something seems to have zapped my enthusiasm. I don't know. Yeah, you have good days and you have bad days. Just the way it goes sometimes. We are out adventuring on the motorcycle today. Bella's back at camp. The air conditioner's running. It's not real hot yet, but I didn't know how long I was going to be gone. So I walked out on that thing there and took a couple of shots from there. Wonder when that was built. Still seems pretty sturdy. Well, I think that's enough chasing for today. Well, like I said, I need to get back to work. I'm getting really close to being caught up again, but I need to get back to it. Thanks for coming along today, and we'll be back soon. As always, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll see you.